Our 13-inch food warmer dump station. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length of 13 inches. Depth of 22¼ inches. And the height of 19¾ inches tall. Measurement for the bottom. We have at least 3 inches in height. The pan to pour and dump in your food can be removed for easy cleaning. And the dimension for the overall height is 2 inches with a length of 12¾ inches. Okay. Separate switches for light and heat. Your 110, 120 voltage. And coming to the side is your SA sanitation certification. For all questions and concerns, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.